Thanks for your interest in Vortex Cafe. In order to demonstrate functionality, I'll be running the round-trip example to show you how Cafe can talk to Cafe. First I'll open up a terminal and run the release.com batch script. Then I'll go into the Vortex directory. I'll do an ls and I'll go into devices. From here you can see that I'll go into the Vortex Cafe directory and drill down into that. First I'll go into Apache Maven. You can see that it'll cat the readme.txt file. And as it says, I'm going to run this maven-f vortex cafe installation.pom. And this will result in a build success. I'm going to back out of that directory and now go into the examples directory. Once again, I'll go into the round trip directory and I'm going to cat the readme.txt file. This will show us which Java commands to run when we want to run our example. And what I'll do is I'll go down to my next terminal window and I'm going to run the release.com batch script, and I'll go into the same process as before, going into the Vortex Cafe examples round trip example. So what I'll do is I'll do a java-jar space target / pong.jar in the bottom in order to set it up. And what we'll do is we'll wait for ping to send examples back. So we'll do it on the top is I'll do the same example, except I'll run a java-jar space target / ping.jar. And as you can see from the bottom, you can see that the examples are coming back, and you'll see on the top some measurements as to how fast your system is running. So thanks for visiting our Vortex round trip cafe to cafe example.